Good morning. This is my auntie's dog. He's a little red if you can see, because he likes rubbing himself against the door, which is some old paint on it. Did you do that? Did you poo on the floor? Did you poo on the floor? Why? We're in Yunnan Kunming right now. We have arrived, and I'm gonna go drop off my little niece at her school. Look at him, he's so cute. And he's really fluffy. Yeah, you're really fluffy, aren't you? Okay, bye-bye. Gotta go now.
再见。
你好，聪聪。Hello.
你该怎么说 ？Good morning.
Good morning.
我手里还在吃东西。
There are no street rules here. 聪聪，你吃什么？
鬼饼。
嗨，你好。
你说你的 ABC。
哦，你说你的那个英语，说上几句。
这个放大一点吧。
放大一点。哇。
哇，大头宝宝了。
准备下车。
我们准备下车了啊！
再见了。
再见。
拜拜。
拜拜。
珠宝。好了，我上去。哦，要不要你也上？
What is going on here? This is where the kids sleep. They just all sleep in here together. It's awesome. Little mini bunks. And this is the playroom right here. I love orange juice. We're getting Chinese bread buns. They're very good. Bye-bye. We got the bread. So right here behind me, this is a abandoned place. They were building it, but they ran out of money. So they just left it all empty, and now it's just complete utter trash. This is what happens when you go broke while you're building. Guys, look at this. Whoa, that is massive. This is another abandoned place. They dug a huge hole, and then they just ran out of money, so they just abandoned it. And now it's just blocked up. Look how many motorcycles there are. That's insane. This little baby's learning how to ride a motorcycle at his age already. Pure savagery. Guys, we've been here for 2 days, and this is all my dad has done this whole time. He's watched his movies. My auntie is picking off the little corn beads to feed the doggy.
你叫他站着，他就站着；你叫他坐着，他就坐着。你一颗一颗给他，你给的太多，他就不干。
就听话。Time to feed this doggo. In like 4 or 5 hours, we're gonna get picked up by my dad's friends, and we're gonna head over to his house, and then in the morning from there we're gonna leave to the airport. The reason why we're going to his place is because it's a lot closer to the airport, and that way we don't have to worry about waking up super early over here at our place. We're in Yunnan Kunming right now, and this is our apartment, and we are on the very, very top floor. Now the perks of being on the top floor is you don't have people above you. During the hours when you're trying to get to sleep, you don't hear people walking above you making noise. And we also get solar power. See, those two things are solar power. They help heat the water, which is very nice. And also you have a great view from up here. So I really like it. It's all good. We have a little garden, and there used to be fish in here, but since it's so hot out, it just dried out and all the fish died. I really enjoy up here. It's so nice, and we're really lucky to have this place. Seriously. So before I go, I do want to give you guys a little nice house tour of our place inside here. Yeah, let's get started. All right, let's begin this house tour. So, this is my room, me and my brother's room. As you can see, it's a pretty nice room. 2 beds. Sorry, it's a little messy, but we're just gonna be here for one day because we're leaving soon, like I told you guys before. This space right here is like the attic space, just restored and stuff. This is bathroom number 1. Now as we head downstairs, we are welcomed by this little space right here. This is our living room. So we got our couches. This right here is my dad's little tea area. So he has little tea sessions here with his friends, and it's just something very traditional in China to have a tea table and a place to socialize. And right here is a very nice area. It's like a little greenhouse and plenty of light. We used to have couches here, but we moved them over there. But this is a really nice area. You get an awesome view. I really like this area. Bathroom number 2. In China, as you can see right here, they squat when they use a bathroom. No sitting toilets. We just squat. That's how it goes. This is the second bedroom in the house. So this bedroom right here is our old bedroom. My brother would sleep down there, and I'd sleep up there. Bunk beds are really awesome. I love bunk beds. It's just so cool. Except for when you hit your head. Bah. Otherwise, bunk beds are really awesome. Lots of good memories from this bedroom.
No,
Huh?
you work on Baba's feet a little bit.
Okay. This is my dad's bedroom. It used to be my mom's bedroom. Nice view. This is the master bedroom's bathroom. Very big, very nice. It has a heating system, and it's just a great bathroom in general. The only thing is, over here there's a window, and people can peer in. And that's the whole entire house. And now we leave to Nepal. Goodbye, Quimming. Traffic is incredible. Yeah, doing, bro. So the one thing I noticed about China is there are lots of security cameras, surveillance cameras everywhere. Surveillance cameras, more surveillance cameras right there. There's another surveillance camera right there.
This kind of store here, per month, is 700 Chinese money a square meter.
A square meter.
So if you have 10 square meter, which is 100 square feet,
Yeah.
right? It's like that tent when we do the show. In my tent, right? You can make 7,000
Every month.
every month.
It's my dad's friend's place. Out there, all the college students are roaming. It's a really big place out here. Heading up to the 3rd floor. It's huge, right?
It's sitting on some money, right?
Check this place out, guys. This is the lounge. Woo! Sorry guys, it's a little bit like random, but we just stopped here because he owns this place and we just wanted to check it out. But yeah, it's pretty sick, and it's worth like $1 million $1 million in Chinese dollars. That's a lot of money. We're giving this guy some advice. He might open a little tea shop here. Check this place out, it's huge. I really appreciate these pillows. They're really good pillows. This little area is the garden. It's like a little tropical garden. They have this little netting going on up there where the vines, you know, grow on and creep onto. I really like this. This is really cool, honestly. It has a very Western feel to it. Mama, what do you think of this place?
This place is huge, man.
It has a real Western feel to it.
I gave her everything, she took my heart and left me lonely. I think broken hearts contentious, I won't fix, I'd rather weep.
Wow, what a big place. This place is huge, guys, look at this. Flat screen TV. The whole setup, chandelier. It's very nice, very Western. They even have a little wood stove. Hello.
Hello.
Ni hao. It's a pretty nice house. We're gonna be staying here. Tomorrow morning we're out, so I'm just gonna enjoy the moment right now. I really love this place. It's like in the countryside. It's about 100 miles out of the city. It's just really nice. Up in the mountains, fresh air, good air. This is comparable to like Napa Valley or Mendocino. Really beautiful. It's like a little Zen room. All the tea. Like it. Come up here and check it out. All right, he's coming in.
I was gonna hit you, bro. God. You're recording?
Do you feel better? The line didn't feel too great on the trip here. How many times do you puke? This guy has these little fruits. They are so good. I wish you could taste them. Delicious. Comment below if you want me to bring some back to America for you guys.
Suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah.